Here I have OPPO Reno5 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device without using buttons. Like usually to take screenshot, what you have to do is to just hold down power key and volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. But actually on this device you have two another ways to take screenshot. For example, you have this panel here and you have the screenshot button here too, and you can take screenshot like this. And another method, what you have to do is to just slide 3 fingers down, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Slide with 3 fingers at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.